Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered what it's like up there? I mean, really up there, beyond the clouds, beyond the airplanes, into the vastness of space? If you have, you're not alone. Space has always fascinated humanity, and today, we're going to dive into one of the most incredible human achievements, the International Space Station, or ISS, and how rockets are launched to get there. So buckle up, because we're about to embark on a journey that's literally out of this world. Let's start with the ISS. Picture this, a floating laboratory orbiting Earth at about 17,500 miles per hour, where astronauts live and work in microgravity. It's like a high-tech apartment complex that's been built in the sky. The ISS is a joint project involving multiple countries, including the United States, Russia, Japan, Canada, and several European nations. It's a symbol of international cooperation, showcasing what we can achieve when we work together. And it's not just for show. Astronauts conduct experiments that help us understand everything from how our bodies adapt to space to advancements in technology that can improve life back on Earth. It's like a scientific playground where the rules of gravity don't apply. Now, how do we get there? That's where rockets come into play. Imagine a giant metal tube packed with fuel and technology designed to break free from Earth's gravitational pull. The process of launching a rocket is nothing short of a spectacular show. It all starts with the countdown. You've probably seen those dramatic moments in movies, right? 3, 2, 1, liftoff. But let's talk about what's really happening behind the scenes. Before a rocket even leaves the ground, there's a monumental amount of planning and preparation. Engineers and scientists work tirelessly to ensure everything is perfect. They perform countless simulations and tests to anticipate any possible issues. The rocket is filled with fuel, and once it's ready, it's transported to the launch pad. This is where the magic happens. When the countdown reaches 0, the engines ignite, and the roar of the rocket is thunderous. It's an explosion of power as the rocket fights against gravity, pushing upward into the sky. As it ascends, it goes through different stages. The first stage is the most intense, burning fuel like there's no tomorrow. Once it's used up, it separates and falls back to Earth, while the second stage takes over. This is where the rocket gains speed and altitude, eventually reaching the edge of space. But here's the kicker. As the rocket climbs higher, it's not just fighting gravity, it's also battling air resistance. The atmosphere is thick, and the rocket has to punch through it like a knife through butter. It's a delicate balance of speed, angle, and thrust. And once it finally breaks through the atmosphere, there's a moment of weightlessness. It's like a roller coaster ride, but instead of plummeting down, the rocket is now in orbit. Once the rocket reaches the ISS, it docks with precision. Astronauts aboard the station are eagerly waiting, ready to welcome their new crewmates. Imagine floating in that incredible environment, where everything you know about living on Earth is turned upside down. You can't help but feel a sense of awe and wonder. The ISS isn't just a destination. It's a testament to human ingenuity and collaboration. It reminds us that, despite our differences, we can come together to explore the unknown. So, the next time you look up at the stars, remember that there's a bustling space station up there and rockets are launching every day, pushing the boundaries of what we know. Space isn't just a dream, it's our reality, and it's waiting for us to explore it.